Charvonia Design tie-down anchors are designed and made in the USA from billet aluminum and provide a stronger, more useful, and better-looking option to the basic factory-supplied tie-down anchors. They come in a variety of colors and options for various models. Today, we will be working on this third-generation Toyota Tacoma. Tools required for this installation are a ratchet or impact, a T40 Torx bit, and blue thread locker. Start by removing the factory D-ring bolts using the T40 Torx bit. Note that for this installation, the factory bolt and washers will be reused. Apply a light coating of grease under the bolt head and insert the factory bolt into the new billet D-ring. Reinstall the factory washers in the same order and use the provided plastic retaining washer. Apply blue thread locker to the threads of the bolt before reinstallation. Thread the assembly back into the bed and securely tighten. Repeat this process on the other side of the bed. Now, you can enjoy the increased function and strength of your new upgraded billet D-Rings. For more information and for the full catalog of all our products, visit BilletTieDowns.com. Thank you for watching.